new seats. Comfortable passengers. Let's get better. Congratulations! You have unlocked garlic sauce. First, fill the... Now, tap here to put the box on the tap the box to peel the cup. Tap again to put sauce packets to the cart. Now get rid of the empty box. Looks like there's still some space left for more garlic. Empty the box into the cart and throw it out.
Hi. Oh. Oh.
Thanks!
Thanks.
Woohoo! Hey. Woohoo! Thank you. Wow.
Attention passengers, we'll be landing shortly.